Okay, Attorney Diaz.
Hello, yes. Good morning.
Ayun, okay, ayan. Bilis Attorney, ano
Okay.
naman ang civil case natin laban dito sa SWS at Pulse Asia?
Come again, Igan.
Ano po ang nilalaman ng reklamo ninyo sa SWS at sa Pulse Asia?
Okay, basically, Igan, it's a complaint for damages, and we're also asking the court for a temporary restraining order and a writ of preliminary injunction.
So, ibig sabihin, sa mga susunod na mga linggo, kung papayagan ng korte yan, wala nang ilalabas sa mga survey result?
Well, kung papayagan tayo ng korte, the TRO is effective 3 days, And then after that, there will be a hearing on the preliminary injunction. And then if the court will also grant that, then may enjoin, at least until the case is resolved.
Okay, nakasentro lang ito sa dalawa, sa Pulse Asia at SWS?
Yes, Igan.
Yung ibang survey firm, di ba nandyan yung Dissenter?
Well, alam naman natin kasi Igan na ang Pulse Asia sa SWS, yan ang talagang prominent survey company.
Okay. Nasasaktan na ba si Senator Gordon sa mga resulta ng survey?
Well, based on what they've been publishing, Igan, it reflects that Senator Gordon has been getting only 2 to 3%, which to our belief is not true. And that's the reason why we're filing this complaint.
Okay, abangan natin yan. Atty. Diaz, maraming salamat po. Sinubukan po rin namin kunin ang panig ng SWS at Pulse Asia. Antabayan po ang latest. Kaugnay niyan maya-maya sa Flash Report. Ano po pang GMA Newscast